Hi, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to your own motivational place, Motivationizz. How are you all? Let's be real, staying focused isn't always easy. Your phone buzzes, your mind wanders. That important task suddenly feels impossible. But don't worry, I've been there too. Today I'll share powerful strategies to lock in your focus. First, setting clear intentions. Decide exactly what you want to accomplish. Write it down. Say it out loud. Visualize it. When you know your why, sticking with your what is easier. Break big tasks into smaller steps. If it feels overwhelming, your brain wants to give up. Tackle one tiny piece at a time. Celebrate those small wins. Progress builds momentum. Try the 5-minute rule. Promise yourself 5 minutes of focus. Getting started is the hardest part. Once you're moving, you'll likely keep going. Optimize your environment. Clear away clutter. Silence notifications. Create a focus-friendly space. Change where you sit. Stand up for a bit. Small changes help. Take intentional breaks. Your brain can't run nonstop. Step outside. Stretch. Grab a glass of water. A short pause recharges you. Be kind to yourself. Focus is a skill, not a superpower. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Gently bring your attention back to what matters. Surround yourself with positive reminders, sticky notes, phone wallpapers, a pep talk in the mirror. You've got this. Every day is a new chance to try again and show yourself what you're capable of. Thanks for joining me at Motivationizz, your space for growth and energy. Until next time, keep shining and stay focused.